Mr. DJ, put the sample on. Hello, Ghana for Obwasia Dancia Soccer for Upper West for Dafiama Buse Isa constituency, the Church of Pentecost, Ghana Christian International High, me church amunina, me din the Anni Cooper, Nyamia Adom Meka Nsoromma season 7 top 12 neho. This week, ye performing guitar band. Na enyuma me de bremu Alex Konadu nyuma yatu ne din Asaase Asa. Nsoromma say mu be vote ama me to the short code *713*208#. No was selecting number 1 Anni Cooper. Madam say put this on rewind, yeah.
Adom TV. Young judges, no. Yes, ladies first, but we have a corner Andy first. Andy Rusty.
Hello.
Hi.
Anni Cooper.
Andy.
Oh, yeah. What's where you? Nazani Yesu. Who the Obia who soon see what people in my bedina? I have a special attachment to this song. Kopim say, me bra mpanin for me nu. I can say 4 pa and a year production, which is a Nana to 4 keyboards, Charles Samoa on drums. It's way that you say me ami di mu ankasa. Now, last week I had a problem with you. Names a futu am the man wafa. In fact, performing no. No, say me see me trasi because me shower me rebel because me of Nana to 4 film. But me see me trasi biya na. Me person me tear your voice no, and it was so much in key, and you were on point. Oh man, Annie Cooper, I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Hey. Annie Akosia, I love you.
I love you too. Now,
Hey.
I don't know why I wish.
Hey, I love him.
I don't love you.
Thank you.
But I love you. Hey, unse make us say oba set to the by. Also be a wa when you son to me. Ebini me dansa to her so nyini. And so time of question I said my make out to so. Hey, why are they what? I love this song. It was one of my best songs. Now what to know? You have sung the song has sung you. What to? You see, you have lala the lala and the lala you have lallet. Hey, what? No idea. I also try acting. I better also 2 minutes. So sorry, 2 minutes. I'm sorry, Jina. Hey, la, you have la the la. Go.
They are kind of more vote, man. Why?
No, before
star 713 star 208 hash on all networks. Star 713 star 208 hash on all networks. Now, what vote? I'm a favorite contestant. No, now on us waiting me out to us.